Zelly and his wife talking to Corie Antony Uter, Corie Antony Uter, Corie Antony Uter.
Okay.
A Zelly friend.
Yes.
Yeah, Zelly and his wife is my Dan.
Yes.
When you see me not afraid to put up on my foot.
All right.
Normal.
So tell me what you do for your living. You do farming?
Not really. I could, but that's not. I like this vehicle. I could do some service on it,
Yes.
and me tell you something, do everything.
Yes, you say you do. So you're a jack of all trade.
Right, jack
Okay.
of all trade.
Yes.
So if I don't know the fully complete, I will go back for it. But I do everything.
You do everything for make a living.
Normal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will see this rum cup in the road and pick it up.
Yeah. Also, you will clean up the street if you feel like doing it today.
If I feel like.
Or if somebody call if you do something, you do it same
Right.
way.
And this asks you if your brake bad or whatever, I do that.
Oh, you
Me
want
a
to park?
mechanic.
Oh, I see. All right. So you
Thank
have
you.
a whole heap of trade. But me always see you. And I'm curious because almost every time I see you,
Teacher,
Mr. Corie.
That's why I respect you, know.
Yes.
Cause guess what now? You see me all the while, you know. But you don't know what I'm capable of doing.
Yes.
So I say, watch ya. Why a Jim come me pass him every day? Me do everything.
Oh, so me never know. So now I know.
Right.
Because one of the things about you as well is you're always drinking.
When Zelly passed me this man, when Zelly passed me, I paint. Me do everything.
Oh, so you were painting this morning?
Yes.
Oh.
Me do everything.
Sorry, tell me about, so you're drunk now or you're not easy if you're drunk?
I'm sober.
You're sober?
If I drink 20 quarter rum, I told you that.
Yeah.
Yeah, some guy drink half flask of rum and drunk.
Yeah.
And me, I beg my friend, he beg me, fi give some youth one drink of rum out of me quart.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, because that's our whole for what? For the day?
Right through. And
Yeah.
guess what now? When I'm saying about my quart, I drink quart and a half, 2 quart, me alone. When I say quart, you know, I quart we are talking about.
Yes.
And some youth drink half flask
And then drunk?
and drunk.
But not that can't shake you?
No, that not shake me.
So even though I see you with the cup almost every day, and
Yeah.
you know me not exaggerate.
Talk to me.
Yes.
Don't afraid.
Yeah.
Don't
You're not
afraid.
drunk?
No, never.
Okay.
When you pass me, you see me I walk and you say, I wonder if you're drunk.
Yes.
I'm not.
You're not drunk?
No.
Oh, wow.
Seriously.
So tell me why you drink so much?
Because sometimes my good party like you and your husband,
Yes.
if me not buck up now, me just use my petrol just like your gas station in your car. Because if me not use it,
Yeah. Oh, so you use it to cycle your meds?
yeah.
Oh. So that means you got always a drink then, Mr. Corie?
Not really.
Oh.
Not really. Like how
Okay.
you and Sally talking to me.
Yes.
Like how you and Sally talking to me.
Yes.
If I'm going to just do sometime, me know I have no much to do, so
Yeah.
when I go busy,
Yeah,
and
man.
sometimes I'm busy. If me and you and Zelly can sit down and talk, me no must have a drink room.
Oh, so you have somebody to talk to. And so you're
Right.
occupied.
Right.
But when you find yourself alone, you drink a lot.
Right.
Oh, I see. I see.
Normal.
Normal.
True, normal.
All right, Mr. Corie.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself.
Same
But so
thing.
you're going to tell me, one of the days, me hope to see you without the cup, though.
I'm gonna make you see that.
All right.
I'm gonna make you see that.
Yes.
If you and your husband never rape me on the top of my foot,
No, sir.
I'm gonna do that.
Yes.
Serious.
All right.
But true, at times, might be me busy and you and your husband busy. So, true, me not buckling up. When
Yes.
I can sit down and what a reasoning.
Yes.
Yeah. That lady over there, me done too.
Oh.
Them people there, me done. That's why I sit here.
So everybody know you.
Right.
Right. So you get children?
Not as yet.
Not as yet.
Me get some but a criminal and dead.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. What's happened to your wife?
Me not married yet.
You're not married yet? Oh.
Me I go find one wife.
So when you find one wife, maybe now you have somebody we can talk to all the time.
Right.
And you're not going to drink.
So this that you tagged to me,
Yes.
I will do that.
All right. What you going to do?
Just like how you want to hear what I'm saying.
Yes.
I'm gonna find my wife and do just like what you and your husband doing.
Yes.
Do good to the road.
Amen.
So
All right.
Me no want nobody around pretty and sell, you know.
Nobody
Far
not.
me and sell I come from.
True.
So me know nobody around pretty, no.
Yes.
Me no want them play with you and your husband.
Yes.
I ready to know.
All right.
Nah, man.
All right, Mr. Corie. Enough respect.
Same to you, lady.
All right. So one of the day, you know, like I say, I hope to see you without the cup, and then maybe you can show you a little of the things that you do. Like you say, you do your painting and all of that.
I think about paint, coming up paint about through I tell you, me do everything.
Yes.
You see all these things? That's where first me come from. You see the axe here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so you love the mechanic part of it?
Really. But that's true. Some people deal with me like my thing faggy in the road. Me just show them so I can't do anything.
Oh, then deal with it like you think faggy?
Faggy.
So what that mean?
When I say faggy, deal with me like I don't have no sense.
Oh, okay. Me understand.
Nah,
Right.
normal.
So you have to show them what
Me
your
have to show them
skill.
so me do anything.
Yeah. Yes, it's here again when Colin Gager presents an annual fun day and the championship on New Year's Day, Sunday, January 1, 2023 at the Troy Community Center in Trelawney. There will be football and the cricket competitions, music by the Big Bad Black Hustler and the Interceptor, the Renegade Sound, bounce about for the kids, food and refreshment on sale. There will be prizes and surprises. It's the place to be on New Year's Day, January 1, 2023 at the Troy Community Center in Trelawney. Remember, music by the Big Bad Black Hustler and the Interceptor, the Renegade Sound. So bring out the family and come have some fun. Don't you dare miss it. See you there.
But this is my preference.
Okay, you love
This axe
mechanic
that you're
work.
driving, yeah, man, I'll pull out the engine, do anything to it.
Are you serious?
Seriously?
Oh, so people in the community come to you and you work on the cars for them and so on?
Yes.
Okay.
That's why them know me.
Yeah. Yeah, but when you work on it, you drink too?
Yes.
So how you know if you pull off and all of them something there?
Because me know it already.
You know it already?
Yeah.
And no junk, you drunk?
No.
Oh.
So, if me never know it, I have this in my hand.
Yes.
I go do nonsense.
That's true.
So me know it already.
Yes.
Me about me quiet na me and nobody no look for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you don't I try with the mechanic name. When him against Zelly, Desmond. Yeah. Me and Desmond him a poor friend. Him and his grandmother live around in the alien there. And now him a do film mats run a bev there so the frost mother in front of the church and go in the alien.
Yes.
My place not try my place.
You're not drunk for true. You call all the right names and places, man.
Me tell you.
You tell me for true.
I know every way down there my place. I mean yard.
Okay.
So even though you see me down there, I just show me to reach down there at certain decades at time. This is my place.
Yeah.
If me jump in any ride or walk, drop me, I down there.
Okay.
Seriously.
All right.
Yeah, I said that me done, man.
Yes. So when we left here, so now, which part you go ahead to know?
I rush to Bedford to my cousin.
Yes.
So I'm just right here. So when I leave here, so when I tell you something, where Zelly pass me, he never see me.
Yes.
When I leave here, so I go back up on the boom.
All
but I do want to come at you, so.
Okay. After you don't drink?
No.
You do it while you drink?
I drink and do it.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Serious, so.
Yeah, man.
Me like you speaking. Like you want to see me when I deal without no cup. Because every time you pass me, you pass me a cup down.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Morning and evening. So that's why I'm curious and say, me have to talk to you.
Because
me want to know why you drink so and not drunk.
you will
Because you
pass,
still a walk and a go on and a do your thing.
because you will pass me. 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yes.
And me a drink.
Yes.
And you pass me 5 o'clock in the evening and me still a drink.
Yes.
And me not lie down the road.
No.
Did not you pass me in the road? Lie down?
No, me never. You always a walk on the sidewalk and do your thing.
Thank you.
All right, Corie.
Big up, lady.
All right, big up yourself.
Same to you.
Yeah, man. All right, enough respect.
Yeah, I'm saying I'm a general, you know.
Yeah, man. All
Yeah,
right.
man. No disrespect, yeah. Me never rip money now, pull up on foot. Me love the style.
Yeah, man. All right. All right. Blessed everybody. Until next time, thank you for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and stay safe.
Same to you. Normal.
All right.
Yeah, I'm saying I'm a teacher.
Yes.
Right.
All
But yeah,
right.
put that some man.
Yeah.
Anytime you see me,
So
I
we
want
are
to pull up, pull up.
Yeah, man. We are catching a walk on the sucker. You say you're not drunk, you know, so.
Yeah, you want to walk for the white light? Let me drop my trousers, because I want to see me look like old nigga. Let me drop my trousers.
All right.
Good behaving picnic.
Yes.
I'm going to walk on the white line.
All right, let me see.
Change for soldier. I soldier to police. Yeah?
Yeah?
Me change for everything.
Yeah, man. So
Nah.
you're good. You say you're good.
Good, I'm telling you. I'm not telling you a lie.
Yeah.
I go on like my junk. I remember say every day you pass me, me not left me rum cup.
Me know.
And see there, me I show you perfectly. Watch.
Boy, I tell you.
Seriously.
Yeah, so you get used to your... So you ever used... Was there a time when you used to drunk?
I never drunk yet.
Yeah?
Never.
Never. Okay.
People say I'm drunk. Through them see me cup. I drink from before there. Me drink like from before there, so till night I does.
Yeah?
So people feel I'm drunk.
Oh.
But just like how you talk to me now, me and you and Sally can't talk.
Yes, and you really have to go find some other people to talk to so you can talk and not drink.
I'm people that I can't talk to.
Yes.
So I'm not serious.
All right then, Mr. Corie.
Serious. Thank
right.
you, lady.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, your husband I'm a done, man.
Yeah, man.
Sally, how far me and Sally them I come from.
Yes.
I just some people see me on the road and say, in drunk.
Well, you know you're not drunk.
Never. I
Yes.
know myself.
Yes.
Never drunk.
Never drunk yet.
Anybody in this district tell us say them ever have to take me out of the road.
Yes.
Just call them come show me.
All right.
I did not. Serious?
Yes, but you know, say if you come out the road, don't care, come.
Yeah, man, you go down over the self drive. But yourself in there, you know. Who are come from Christian and for them side this.
Oh,
Who are come
okay.
from down to drive over so.
Okay.
Nah,
all right. All right, sir.
Yeah, man, I love you like that and I love Sally like that.
Yeah, man. All right.
Big up on yourself.
All right. Blessed love, everybody. See you
Same
next
to you.
time.
Same to you. Thank you.
All